Hey, what's up, everybody? Super excited. We've built out a really cool affiliate program where you can make high ticket commissions, low ticket commissions, and also monthly reoccurring commissions. Okay, so I want to explain how we can help you automate all of that process. Okay, you got to understand, right? My goal is to educate people on how to do affiliate marketing, right? Like that's my whole purpose, to help you quit your job. Now, the other side of things is, as you know, I have an affiliate program, right? I have my 72-hour challenge, I have Freedom Accelerator, I have Funnel Freedom, right? So these are the things that I have that you can promote, right? Not necessarily you have to, right? Most people will come to me and be like, well, if I buy your stuff, do I have to promote it? No, not at all. We just have that stuff set up. That way, you can promote. I want you to be set up high ticket, low ticket, and monthly reoccurring commission, okay? So the name of the game is this, okay? Obviously, I talk about email lists, all that stuff, but right now we're specifically talking affiliate marketing, okay? As an affiliate marketer, you have to focus on these two things, okay? High ticket commissions and monthly reoccurring commissions, okay? The monthly reoccurring commissions is that predictable income. This is the income that comes in every single month. When I was starting out, I had my 9-to-5 job. My main offers as far as monthly reoccurring was ClickFunnels, GetResponse, TubeBuddy, right? These were the software companies that were paying me every single month, okay? Now, on top of that, at the time I was promoting, things like Legendary Marketer and these high ticket companies that paid me like $1,000, $2,000 commissions. Okay. So the cool thing is I've built that for you. That being said, you got to have both. You got to have high ticket commissions and monthly reoccurring commissions. Okay. So if you're new to my whole ecosystem, I want to explain the process first. The way my ecosystem works is the main way people come into my world, right, is through my 72-hour challenge, okay? This is the main way people get in, okay? This is how I help people quit their job. For you as the affiliate, you get 40% of this program, okay? People pay $9 for this challenge. They get access to this 72-hour challenge, okay? So it's similar when people get access to this challenge, they get, 3 days. You'll notice they get day 1, they'll get day 2, and day 3 is locked. So the only way they can unlock day 3 is if they schedule a call with a business advisor, okay? So at that point, people have the opportunity to ascend to Freedom Accelerator, okay? Now, within this challenge, you also get multiple upsells, okay? So when you send people through this challenge right here, there's literally like 6 different upsells, okay? So it's really cool because it's got a high cart value. But this is where it gets fun, okay? Within the challenge itself, people have the opportunity to get the software that helps them build a business, which is Funnel Freedom, okay? So let me explain what that means. So what I mean by that is on day 2, I show them how to set up this automated system, right? So, but you'll notice here, right here, they'll click on this to get a trial of Funnel Freedom, okay? Which then leads them to this software right here. Now, I'm a partner in this software as well. Before, we used to tell people to get ClickFunnels and System.io just because, that's what we had done before. But now, okay, this is the cool part here. You can also get 40% commission on this as well, okay? But why is this so important? Because what's cool is, yes, you can get a high ticket commission on Freedom Accelerator and the challenge, but you can also get 40% commission here, okay? Now, that's not the exciting part. Now, you as the affiliate, you can become an affiliate for the challenge, for Freedom Accelerator, and the Funnel Freedom software, okay? Now, one more thing I want to mention here. With the Funnel Freedom affiliate program, you actually get, like I said, 40% commissions, but you can also get 10% commissions under that, okay? So it's really, really cool because you can get people in, and then if they get people in under that, it's 10%, okay? So it's just a second tier, nothing past that, okay? I've built this whole system to kind of work together, right? So if you've ever gone through the Legendary Marketer program, they allow you to put your links here for ClickFunnels, Aweber, right? So you have to go into their back end and add, the software links. Now, what we've done, and here it is right here, okay? This is it. What we've done is we did that all automatically. Okay, so you don't have to go into the back end and put in, your affiliate link for, Funnel Freedom. It's going to all be connected. Okay, so I want you to understand the power of this. Okay, this is what's going to make you so much more money because now you have the power of high ticket commissions, low ticket commissions, and monthly recurring commissions. And it's all connected, automatic. You don't have to go hard code anything else. It's all automated. Now, let me explain further. That way, it just makes sense across the board. Okay. So what does that mean, right? If you're an affiliate for the 72-hour challenge, which is this right here, let's just say that you send someone to your affiliate link. Now, let me just do this in real time. Okay. So this is the 72-hour challenge affiliate link right here. Let's just say, hey, I'm going to send a lead to my affiliate link. So I'm just going to go here. Okay. So what's cool is you send someone to the challenge, and then let's just say they just opt in, right? So they enter, their name, an email, whatever the email is, and then whatever, a phone number. Okay. Now what's cool, and obviously this is just a test right here, test 12345 6@gmail.com. Okay. What happens is when someone enters their email here, this is automatically going to be hard coded to the Funnel Freedom software. Okay. So what's cool is, let's just say this person buys the challenge, or they'll go ahead and get access to Funnel Freedom. You don't have to go hard code anything. It's going to hard code everything automatically. Now, like for example, if someone goes, they opt in here, all that good stuff, the magic has already happened. So now what happens is I get a lead inside of, the 72-hour challenge, right? So this becomes, I don't know if it's going to show right here. Basically, this will become a referral. It's hard coded now, but if I go to the Funnel Freedom software, it's also going to be hard coded. So what does that mean? When you send someone to the challenge and they buy, or even if they don't buy, but let's just say they buy Funnel Freedom, well, you get that sale as well. It's just a complete game changer. You literally don't have to do anything on your end. All you have to do is either send people to the challenge, or here's the other cool thing. If you send people to, let's just say, the Funnel Freedom software, right? It works both ways. So let's just say someone just goes to the Funnel Freedom software and they want to get a trial here. They enter their information here, first name, last name, email, same thing. This is going to hard code to the other affiliate software as well. Okay. That's the beauty of this. Like literally, you don't have to go and hard code anything. Everything's just all interconnected. Now, you do have to have one thing. Okay. This is the one thing that's really, really, really important. Okay. So if you're not sure, go check this. Okay. So we have 2 affiliate programs, one for the 72-hour challenge and one for Funnel Freedom. They're 2 separate programs you have to sign up for. When you sign up for those 2 programs, your emails have to be exactly the same. That's the only way it's going to work. So what happens is it checks if their email is the same as for both affiliate programs. If it's not the same, it will not work. Okay. And that's an easy fix. If you're not sure, just make sure your login information for the affiliate programs are the same. Okay. So with that being said, I hope you guys are excited. Let's do some Q&A. Let me know down in the comments. Chandra says, when does this go into effect? It's already in effect. It's already working. You can go test it out. The main thing is you have to make sure your email login for the 72-hour challenge and Funnel Freedom affiliate program, they have to be the exact same. Okay. If not, it will not work. So with the whole LM thing going on, is if we are an affiliate through your program, how does that work? Now, I mean, we've had our affiliate program for 4 years. We've had over 30-some thousand people, that are affiliates for our program. So nothing really changes on our part. We're not doing anything different. Like we have the same offers, we have the software, everything kind of stays the same. So if we have Freedom Accelerator and 72-hour challenge, we don't have to do anything. Yes, correct. But again, remember, I'm talking more on the affiliate side of things, right? So if you've bought my courses, if you've bought my stuff, I kind of keep those things separately, right? Because so one thing I want to mention is like when people buy my challenges or my stuff, they're like, okay, now I got to promote it. No, not at all. I teach you how to promote anything. I just teach you the framework on how you can go promote whatever you want. Now, a lot of people will go and promote my challenge and my softwares and stuff like that because they believe in it. But that doesn't mean just because you buy my stuff, you have to promote it, right? How do you feel about Google Ads? Yeah, we have Craig. Craig is actually one of my coaches inside of our program. He's running like a ton of Google Ads and he's crushing it right now with the software. Maybe I'll have to get him on and kind of have him explain what he's doing, but he's crushing it. He's getting like tons and tons of trials and people, buying the software. And for me, I love high ticket commissions. Like I've always loved it, but it's almost better to have monthly reoccurring because it's more predictable. Right? So you think about it, it's like, hey, if I want to make, $5,000 a month, or let's just say $4,000 a month, predictable, reoccurring, you get 100 people to the software, they're paying, you're getting 40% of that. That's $4,000 a month in your pocket. And that was my goal when I was trying to quit my job, right? So have that goal in mind. Is it all hard coded if you're driving to the free course, then the 72? That's a great question. So the free course, remember, this is different. The free course is your course. Okay, this is your funnel. We have nothing to do with that. Now, however, let me actually pull up an example here. So what he's talking about is, a lot of people have this free course that they give out. So for example, if I go in here and I go to this free course. This is something we give our students within the 72-hour challenge. So essentially allows you to build your email list. Okay. Now, if someone goes and opts in here, no, it's not going to hard code anywhere. This is your email list. Now, for example, if someone goes and they enter their email, this will automatically go to the next page, to the affiliate program, right? So let me go to the next page here. Now it goes to the affiliate program. Now, when someone goes and enters their email here, that's when it's hard coded, but not on the free course, right? Because the free course is your email list, right? How do I get to both affiliate programs? Great question. Let me actually just pull up the links if you want to become an affiliate for the both programs. Okay. So let me pull up a notepad here and I'll just kind of show you where to go. Okay. So if you want to become an affiliate, make sure to screenshot this because I'm going to pull up the 2 links that you need. Okay. So these are the 2 links right here. Just screenshot this. I'm not going to leave it up super long. Kathia says, so is this program more of a business opportunity on the front end now? Well, I mean, it's always been a business opportunity, right? Because I'm teaching people how to start a business. I don't know exactly what you mean on that question there. So essentially, right, like the affiliate program, yeah, it's a business opportunity, right? I want you to be able to start a business around it, but also the education side, yeah, I teach people how to start an affiliate business. So, you could say they're both business opportunities, right? How do we handle the legendary marketer affiliate link now? Yeah, so there's some interesting things going on, right? So they're not taking new affiliates. So I'll just show you what I would do if I were you. In Funnel Freedom, we have this really cool setting that allows you to promote like 15 different products. So she's talking about like this link right here for legendary marketer. So a few things you can do, Jenna. We're in talks on what to do with this right now. What I would do is I would just use your affiliate link that you have right here. Whatever link this is, I would just put that link here for legendary marketer. That's what I would do. What's the best place for paid traffic? So this is a great question. I don't know. I love YouTube ads. We just did a YouTube ad training. So go check that one out, guys. I'll show you where to find it here. So if you go to my YouTube channel, Jonathan Montoya, you can find the training here. So it's just called YouTube Ads Dirt Cheap. That's that. And then the cool thing is we've been running a lot of Facebook ads. Let me show you kind of my Facebook stuff we're doing. This is our Facebook ad account right here. You'll see that we've spent at the bottom last month we spent $13,000, but you can see all the purchases. Now we're sending people to the challenge here. So you'll notice these are all purchases to the challenge. But what's interesting, right? And this is what I want you guys to understand is when you run ads, you want to have that back end, right? You want to have that high ticket commission, but also the monthly reoccurring. So when I'm running ads, even if I'm losing money on the front end, I know I'm going to make my money back with the monthly reoccurring commission with Funnel Freedom and the high ticket commissions and all that stuff, right? So that's why I'm so excited for this to happen, because now if you guys are running ads, it allows you to really spend more money because yes, I'm going to get the $9 challenge, maybe the high ticket commission, but also I'm going to get the back end as well, right? Because when people go through my challenge, a lot of them get the Funnel Freedom because they kind of need it, right? So yeah, it's a great question. So is it going to change where people watch the video lessons because I saw the 72-hour challenge is inside of your Funnel Freedom account? What do you mean exactly by that? Yeah. I mean, everything is inside Funnel Freedom. Like I switched everything from ClickFunnels to Funnel Freedom myself. We made that change probably 2-3 months ago. So I'm not exactly sure what you mean by that. Can I set all this up in Funnel Freedom? Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. For the new people, what's the cost of each program to get started? If you're talking about the education side, right? I'm not talking about that really on this video, but good question. It's $9 to get started with the challenge. You'll get access to the challenge. And then if you want to unlock day 3, you would have to book a call with an advisor to unlock the last day. And then we have Freedom Accelerator, which has, we just added another weekly coaching call within Freedom Accelerator. So we have 2 weeks or 2 coaching calls a week when you get that. So that one's $19.97. And then if you want the Funnel Freedom software, that's $97 a month. So yeah, I'm an affiliate for Funnel Freedom, but haven't done the others yet. So we need to know how. Okay, Terry. Yeah, definitely sign up for all of them. Okay, so if you're an affiliate for Funnel Freedom, you're good to go. So just go sign up for the 72-hour challenge. So here's the cool thing. If you literally just accidentally sign up for this, like it's going to get you commissions both ways. Like it's kind of the cool thing. But yeah, so Terry, just go make sure, obviously, whatever email you use to sign up for this, use that exact same email for this one right here, okay? That's the only thing that has to be the same. Okay. Sasa says, that's my problem. I use a different email for Funnel Freedom and a different one. Yes. So you definitely need to fix that. So super easy to do. Actually, you can do that yourself. So if you go to, so for example, this is the 72-hour challenge. If you go to the top right and click on, your name here, you could actually change your email here, your sign-in email. Okay. Is this automatic since I am part of Funnel Freedom? Yeah. Like I said, just make sure that those two emails are the same. You have to be signed up for both the 72-hour challenge affiliate program and the Funnel Freedom affiliate program. Again, let me just show this one more time. So make sure to screenshot that, guys. This is how you get access as an affiliate for both the Funnel Freedom affiliate program and the 72-hour challenge affiliate program. Okay. Whitney says, wait, now I'm more confused about the hard coding question. I think she meant if it's only through our free course and email list. Yeah. So obviously when you send people to your funnel, your lead magnet, basically that's your lead, right? That lead doesn't go to us as the affiliate. Now, when someone signs up for the 72-hour challenge, right? So for example, again, I want to explain this again because this is important. Whitney, I'm assuming you have this free course as well. So when someone opts into your free course, this lead goes to your account. That's your lead. Okay. Now, when someone enters their email here and it's your affiliate link, now that's coded to you. But the beauty of what we've done is this also codes to the Funnel Freedom affiliate software. So you get best of both worlds. Okay. And that's all done automatic as long as those two emails are the same. Okay. Hopefully that makes more sense. When someone opts in their information, one of the funnels, information is going to appear in the other back office. Yes. Exactly. Now, obviously, let's just say if someone has already been hard coded from the past, then it won't work that way. I would say 95% of the time it'll work. Okay. Unless someone's already gone through the system or something like that. Okay. Does one need to buy Freedom Accelerator before? No, man, not at all. Again, we're talking all affiliate side here. I'm not even talking about what I sell or what I do. This is just purely the affiliate marketing program. Okay. Does it make sense to start a YouTube channel if you've not gotten following an IG? I for sure would do a YouTube channel. If you've gone through my training, I push my students, right? IG and TikTok is cool, but YouTube is where the money's at. It's more long-term. And I'm not sure if you've gone through any of my trainings, but in Freedom Accelerator, IG and TikTok is just phase one. YouTube is phase two. And we have 4 phases of, my Freedom Accelerator program. So 100% start a YouTube channel. You still do your IG and TikTok and all that stuff, but the YouTube is where it's at, right? You're on YouTube right now. It's the power of that community and how much traffic it can bring, right? I missed the announcement. Yeah, go watch the replay. I explain it in further detail, but essentially the 2 affiliate programs are now hard coded to each other automatically. Is it easy to cancel ClickFunnels? I'm almost ready to cancel. And do I have to be an affiliate for all 15 offers before I can run with it? So yeah, it's easy to cancel ClickFunnels. That's actually not hard. But as far as an affiliate, yeah, I mean, for example, you would want to be an affiliate for all these programs here. And we show you how to do that. You could even go to this document here, and then this is how you sign up for all these affiliate programs right here within Funnel Freedom. But yeah, I mean, that's easy to do. These are all free. I picked programs that were free to join. There's a lot of affiliate programs out there that require you to purchase before becoming an affiliate. Technically, it's a little illegal. There's probably a lot of programs out there that do that, but just be careful with those. Okay. I would never want my program to become hey, you have to pay to play, right? For me, it's always been, yeah, I have the education side. You can buy my courses, but you can still become an affiliate even without buying, right? So hopefully that helps, Terry. What to promote Freedom Accelerator? So if I were you, I would definitely start with the challenge because the challenge teaches people how to use Funnel Freedom. Unless you're a really good marketer and you know how to promote Funnel Freedom by itself, I would personally promote the challenge. That's what I'm doing. I run ads to my challenge because the challenge teaches people how to use Funnel Freedom, right? Oh, this is so cool. Can you post links in the chat? This chat, I don't think it'll work. He says your support rocks compared to anyone else. Thank you so much, man. You actually have in Funnel Freedom, guys, we have this 24-hour chat support that you can go on and talk to someone any time of the day. And they're usually within minutes. So that's super cool. If I use a different email for the 72-hour challenge, where do I need to change to match the Funnel Freedom? I just mentioned that. I don't know if you were on, but basically, if you go to 72-hour challenge, if you go to this button here, just make sure this email is matched with the Funnel Freedom one. Same thing here, and then we'll go from there. Is there a free trial for Funnel Freedom? Yes, there's a free trial. Absolutely. As a newbie, should we start on YouTube? So I always say that it's easier to start on IG and TikTok, but start thinking about YouTube. just start dabbling in it, right? Like just do a video every few weeks and start getting better at it, right? I will say this, YouTube is not going to get you the fast traffic. It takes a while. So still do the IG and TikTok, but the YouTube stuff is going to take a lot longer. Cool, guys. I think I answered everything. Thank you so much. Hope you guys are pumped for this. I know I am. But anyways, we'll talk to you guys soon, and God bless everybody.